Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this nice quadratic problem. The equation we have a root of negative a is equals to 4. Here we need to find out the value of a. Let's get started the solution. So in the first step, I was going to use here the radical property, that is n root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 over n. So same as here, I was going to change this negative a to the power of 1 over a is equals to 4. Now here I was going to let in replacement of 1 over a is equals to negative x. If I'm going to take this a to this place, so here I will get negative a is equals to 1 over x. Now in replacement of this negative a, I was going to write 1 over x, and in replacement of 1 over a, I was going to write negative x. So that equation turns to 1 over x whole to the power of negative x is equals to 4. And now I will going to use the exponential rule here. That is 1 over a is equals to a to the power of minus 1. So same as here, I will going to write x to the power of negative 1 whole to the power of negative x is equals to 4. Here this and this get cancelled. So the next expression we will get x to the power of x is equals to 4. So I'm going to change this also in the form of power. So x to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 2. Now I'm going to comparing the bases and the powers with the sides. So here the x value we will get, that is 2. Here our aim is to find out the value of a. So here I'm going to recall a is equals to negative 1 over x, and our x value we have, that is 2. So this is the a value that we find out, negative 1 over 2. Now we're going to solve this same expression by second method using the Lambert W function. First, I was going to apply the same radical rule here that we apply in the first method. Negative a whole to the power of 1 over a is equals to 4. Now, in the next step, I'm going to raise a both the sides. So negative a to the power of a and whole to the power of a is equals to 4 to the power of a. Here the powers are multiplying, so I'm going to cancel out this, and the expression we'll get, that is minus a is equals to 4 to the power of a. Now in the next step, I will going to multiply both the side by 4 to the power of negative a. So 4 to the power of negative a times negative a is equals to 4 to the power of a times 4 to the power of negative a. Now, in the next step, I'm going to use the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So the expression we will get, that is negative a times 4 to the power of negative a is equals to 4 to the power of a plus negative a. So this will turn to negative a times 4 to the power of negative a is equals to 4 to the power of a and plus minus minus a. Here this and this get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get, that is negative a times 4 to the power of negative a is equals to 4 to the power of 0. And a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So this equation turns to negative a times 4 to the power of negative a is equals to 1. And the number W formula we have, that is W a times e to the power of a is equals to a. So this is the number W function here that I'm going to try to change this expression in this form. So for that, I'm going to use the logarithm rule, that e to the power of ln of a is equal to a. So same as here, we're going to apply e to the power of ln of 4 is equals to 4. So in replacement of this 4, we're going to write e to the power of ln of 4. So this equation turns to negative a times e to the power of ln of 4 and whole to the power of negative a is equals to 1. Now here the powers are multiplying, so this equation turns to negative a times e to the power of negative a ln of 4 is equals to 1. The next step, I will going to multiply both the side by ln of 4. ln of 4 times negative a e to the power of negative a ln of 4 is equals to 1 times ln of 4. Now I will going to express this in this form. We're going to write negative a ln of 4, then e to the power of negative ln of 4 is equals to ln, and in replacement of 4, we're going to write 2 to the power of 2. Now here we're going to apply the logarithm property, that is ln of a to the power of b is equals to b ln of a. So I'm going to take this power in front. So negative a ln of 4 and this e to the power of negative a ln of 4. So negative a ln of 4 is equals to 2 ln of 2. Now in replacement of this, I will going to use the logarithm rule. E to the power of ln of a is equals to a. So e to the power of ln of 2 is equals to 2. So I will going to write here this negative a ln of 4 e to the power of negative a ln of 4 is equals to e to the power of ln of 2 and times ln of 2. Now I can apply here the number w function, that is, so here we have the same, this a value and the power, and same a value and the power. So I will going to apply here w negative a ln of 4 times e to the power of a ln of 4 is equals to w and ln of 2 times e to the power of ln of 2. This equation turns to this power. So negative a ln of 4 is equals to ln of 2. Now we're going to change this 4 in the form of power. Negative a ln of 2 to the power of 2 is equals to ln of 2. Now here I will going to apply the logarithm property, that I'm going to take this power in front. So this equation turns to negative 2 a ln of 2 is equals to ln of 2. Now this ln of 2 is multiplying, so it will going to be divided with this side. Here this and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So the remaining expression we'll get, that is 2a is equals to 1. And now this minus 2 is dividing both the side. This and this get cancelled. So the value of a we find out, that is negative 1 over 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.